you can't see. I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of.
Yeah.
We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of. We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Honey got a sexy on steaming. She give my hotness a new meaning. Perfection, mommy, you gleaming. Inception, you got above a dreaming. I'm trying to holler at you, I'm screaming. Let me rub you down this
Attaboy, JD.
First team line.
I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough.
Fall on it.
Lay up your team.
Get it. Run.
Shoot right back like
presto, yes. Meantime, I wait for the next time. She come around for a toast to the best time. We LOL back and forth on the text line. She got me fishing for a love, I confess I'm something about a smile and a combo. Got me high and I ain't coming down, yo. My heart's pumping out louder than electro. She got me feeling like Mr. Roboto. Oh baby, I can't come down, so please come help me out. You got me feeling high and I can't step off the cloud. And I just can't get enough.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
Hop up, Jared. Let's go. Come on.
Number 21.
Erase you out of my memory. I just can't switch up.
No, some of them are fifth graders. Some of them are fifth graders. Some of them are fourth graders.
Whatever, you need to get some ice on. Get some ice on. All right, if you twisted the ankle, walk around and kind of stand on your toes. So it doesn't lock down on you. Our next game is at 5:30. Am I correct, Miss Southern? 5:30. That means y'all need to do power where we play power. All right. It is okay to be perfect. Y'all hear what I'm saying? Sir. It is okay to be perfect. Because even if you fall short of perfection, if you fall next. Do as good as you can every play. Be as good as you can every play for the entire game. If you get tired, we get somebody else in. All right, does everybody get the bump? Everybody good? All right, so we will see everybody. Hey, get off your feet, get something good. Right? So we'll fill you up some pictures. Your body's gonna be on burn, right? You don't run out of steam. Next game will be a total different complexion.
No big old corn pound.
Next game will be a total different complexion, right? They're fast. They're big. They're fast. They look like us.
We want to welcome everyone back. The Blackbird of Lexington versus
Go Alex, you want to smash burger?
Knock your head off, all right?
It's okay to be perfect.
It's okay to be perfect.
It's okay.
You gonna win?
Chaz, you
gonna win?
know what? I'm trying.
Are these our water?